Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will quickly explain the payroll management basics, especially for small business owner. Let's break down in simple terms. So what is payroll? It's a process to paying your employee for their work. This includes their salary, wages, bonus and taxes. Payroll also means keeping records how much each employee is paid and make sure all payments done on time. There are three main parts of payroll. You need basic details like name, job role, salary and account number. You calculate the total hours worked, any overtime deductions like tax or insurance. Once the pay is calculated, you transfer the money to the employee's account. You also need to report to taxes to the government. Why payroll is important? It keeps your employees happy and motivated. It helps you follow labor law and taxes. It builds trust and avoid legal trouble. Tips for small business owner. Use payroll software to save your time and avoid errors. Always double check your calculations. Keep good records of every payment. Stay updated on tax rules. They change often. If managing it yourself is too much, you have to hire the payroll service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and drop your comments. For more updates, subscribe our channel.